Right, how y'all doing? Tribal Trick again, talking about the book I wrote, which is The Art of Living Simple, and it's the manual for how nature made the human mind work. Now, I'm doing a series of videos explaining some of the points that is in this book, but not just explaining what's in this book, but explaining some of the things that we need to understand, some of the laws of nature that we need to understand how we function, or how the human mind functions. Remember, it's a big topic and it's very complex and deep, but I'm explaining the surface stuff here. Right, so that's the book, and now we're going to get to some of the laws. Alright, I talked about the last video I did, and I explained we're talking about the primal laws of nature, and we have to understand the laws of nature, because everything follows the laws of nature, and nature has certain laws of how things should function, and everything functions according to the laws of nature. How nature made them to do a certain thing, and they do that thing, and they don't ask no questions. So they, everything on this planet lives with the understanding that nature is in charge. Alright, so, and how do they do that? With respect. So the second law, or one of the other most important primal laws of nature, is respect. Respect is essential, otherwise diversity doesn't function. So respect just means that we respect other things different to us. Right? So, respect also means that everything, if you treat everything with respect, then everything has equal value. Right? So, for example, original tribal people, they did everything with respect, everything with consideration to who, what they were doing, how that would affect everything, not just their tribe, but the whole world, because they lived with a worldwide mentality. Right, so respect is the second law of nature, or one of the most important primal laws of nature. Right? Respect is something that is used by all animals, and every other animal understands respect and lives with respect in every action that they do, with respect to everything else. So diversity doesn't function without respect. Respect also means, like I said, equal value. So it's not that you respect this as this much and respect that much more and respect that much less. Everything has a high value. So respect, respect is something that we have to use with everything that we're doing. So respect is essential. I'm going to leave it there, and I'm going to get on to the next primal law of nature. So this is something that we have to understand. So diversity, nature's in charge, diversity and respect. Alright, I'm going to leave it there and get on with the next video. Alright, bye. I'm out.